So 354 cannot be a response to someone misbehaving. If someone is misbehaving, you can take appropriate action. So for that reason, I'm not taking my lords into the whole PIP issue, though I fully disagree. I'm not taking
That's
my
all
lords.
right. That is
Yes. That is not of
work hazard.
exactly.
Yes.
That may be whatever may be their work related issues. Now my lords may see the complaint. In the afternoon at page 39, I will just read out the relevant bits.
Yes.
She had given the complaint initially on 19th. That is immediately on the day she was out.
Yes.
And then ultimately it was registered only on 24th because she went from one DCP
So that's
to
okay.
another.
Don't
Yes.
worry about that.
Now page 39, kindly see.
Yes.
Fourth para, around 3:30 p.m.
Yes.
May I read?
Yes.
Around 3:30 p.m. IST on 18th April, Shivani Gupta came to my desk and forced me to come to a private room. At that time, I was into a scheduling meeting, and that was between 3 to 4:30. I guess Shivani Gupta knows about that meeting. I am, etc., etc. Then, my lords, let me come to the fifth line. I mentioned all of this. I have experienced the same situation with Sangamesh, Gudiyappa, and Shivakumar. They forced me to join the unplanned, unscheduled meeting and started harassing and threatening me off the record, as there was no scheduled meeting. The same way, Shivani Gupta forced me to come into a private room to harass and threaten me. Shivani Gupta was ready to schedule a meeting. When I requested, she left from my workstation and blocked my account completely to access and communicate my resources. When I reached out to the IT team to unblock the account, they said that the HR team guided them to block my account, and IT team said, please go to HR. Again, immediately, Shivakumar, Shivani, and Ramamurthy came to my desk and in front of all the employees took my laptop. When I held the laptop to my breast by keeping a hand on my breast, they tried to take my phone, but I took hard efforts to keep it with me. I started crying when they touched my breast.
So
Heavy.
this is against three.
Yes.
Gautam Ramamurthy, Shivakumar, and Shivani Gupta. All right.
Yes.
What has this David, Marco, Sangamesh, security officer to do with 354 allegations?
So is there.
354 allegation gave. How is that? How are they connected?
No, there is criminal intimidation allegations. So now the security guard is there. Can I just read out? With
Yes.
heavy force, Shivani took
No,
my...
these three, yes, they have indulged,
Yes.
is what you say.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, that is what I'm saying.
That is at what time?
My lords, all of this happened from about 3:30, 4 o'clock onwards.
Laptop was taken at what time?
After that, around that time.
Why you did not complain of that when you initially sent a mail that laptop is forcefully taken?
Yes.
Why you did not say that they have inappropriately touched?
Lords, there are innumerable judgments which say that even the complaint, if it does not have full details, my lord, she is sitting there.
Complaint is not an encyclopedia. FIR is not an encyclopedia. No problem. But there should be basic things.
Of course. And in fact,
in your mail, not in the complaint, madam.
I've sent mails. I will show out my
In the first mail, if you had been inappropriately touched,
Yes.
why you did not complain in the first mail?
My lords, she is someone who is being in that situation. What is anybody's mental state? You are writing, you are sending
maybe.
emails.
According to
sending
you,
out on the phone.
According to you, first, Shivani Gupta took away your laptop.
No.
So laptop is taken.
No, may I suggest?
No, that's your mail.
That may be one of the mails.
No,
She
no.
has sent at least about 15 mails.
No, that's later. Now
Maybe later, yes.
what time is that? 3:30 p.m. is it?
In fact,
5:20 p.m. in the evening,
Yes.
you send a mail that Shivani Gupta has taken away your laptop.
in fact, she says,
Hmm.
Shivani Gupta took my personal belongings, including cash wallet.
All right.
Then she says that I do not understand. And then at 6:50, she said she's even to use the washroom, the security guard. That's why she's mentioned the
All
security
right.
guards.
All
She's
right.
not letting her use the washroom, or they're following her outside the washroom.
Fair enough.
Thereafter, in fact,
Was the laptop again taken? Was it taken again?
The phone was taken,
No.
given back and taken again.
That's all right.
Yes.
Laptop was taken again. No.
I'm not too
No,
sure.
it's
whether
your
laptop
mail.
was
Your
taken.
mail, because laptop was already taken.
Yes. At the time, the laptop and phone were grabbed from her
Yes. By whom?
by all
Shivani
three of
Gupta.
them.
Because your 5:20 p.m. laptop taking email says it is Shivani Gupta.
She may have, my lords, I want to make a submission.
Hmm.
She makes it in one email or maybe two emails. She says Shivani Gupta forcefully took the laptop. But just because she does not mention, later on, she continuously mentioned that later on is not after 3-4 days.
That's all right.
It is
But
only
laptop
after a couple of
incident
hours.
has already happened.
Yes, no, it has not already happened. She's
Huh?
still in the...
No. That's all right. Laptop taking incident has already happened.
One part of the incident has happened.
No, that's the only part of the incident.
No, there are two parts. My submission is two parts. One
Did
is,
they come and take the laptop again?
I'm going by the documents. I'm going by the
Even I'm going by your mail.
Yes. Now, my lords, I'm saying there are two parts to it. One is when at the time of grabbing the laptop, she was inappropriately touched
By whom?
by three of them.
Where is your mention about the grabbing of, when
Yes.
the laptop was grabbed at 5:20 PM, you send a mail, my laptop is grabbed
Yes.
by Shivani Gupta.
Maybe because she was one of them. I may not. My
Hey, you
lord.
should have mentioned, most important thing, you should have mentioned those two have touched you
It is
inappropriately.
mentioned. It is mentioned. My lord.
4 hours later,
My lord, it's not even 4 hours later. It's
9
only
PM.
3 hours later.
9 PM.
Sure. My lord, somebody is in a situation where you are kept there, your phone. I want to just point out, her bag is taken. Her bag has all her.
And what
bank
are these two to do, who are in the United States?
My lord,
It's not an abuse of the process of the law,
my lords, on criminal
dragging them
intimidation,
also in the crime?
my lords may say that 354, they were not there.
Then
They
how
were
can,
not
how can you drag them into these
For
proceedings?
criminal intimidation. They have,
What intimidation?
I mean, she
You
also
see
asked-
503, the ingredients of 506, what is there?
my
What
lords,
should be present?
my lords.
How have they intimidated you?
Fact, my lords.
Asking you to do some work is intimidation?
No, I'm not
Then
raising
what?
that issue. Now, my lords, my submission is at least the people with whom I've made allegations. Against those clear allegations. Let me, my lords, may kindly for a moment.
So
Kindly,
clearly this 1, 2 and 6 have nothing to do with it. In your complaint at page 13.
yes,
Yes.
my complaint has.
David Course,
Yes.
Marco, and the Sangamesh.
Ones who were there, my lords are right. The ones who were there are 3, 4, 5, and
Why
6.
did you drag the others?
My lords, I have put their names. I have
For
put-
354 and 506, why did you drag the others?
My lords.
Were they there
354,
or were they, did they indulge in anything that would become 354?
The reason, my lords, in the complaint sections are not.
That's all right.
See, in the
No problem.
complaint sections are not.
Sexual
Sections
harassment
are-
is alleged against them also.
Sections are put by the police.
It's all right.
Strictly speaking,
Harassment is told by you, they have put
yes. Now,
354.
strictly speaking, perhaps why she has put them is because 354A, which is sexual harassment
A.
at the workplace, which is not included.
A is
It
not
is
there.
not included. The police may not have put it. But in the event workplace related harassment is there, she has also put their names. Now, my lords, in this event, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 were all there, which is there in my complaint. Maybe 1 and 2 were not there. That I have also not stated that they were there. They were not there. Now, my lords, kindly see in my objections. May I request my lords to see my objections? In my objections, kindly see from page 26 onwards. Page 26. This is an email of, again, 18th April, 9:45 PM.
Yes.
Where? 26. Yes. 9:45 PM, 18th April. I'm still there. She writes, "Hi, Kendra, looking forward to your kind stand on the below email. Can you check CCTV footage? Hi, David, I expected a response from you. I'm still in office. It's 9:30 PM in India.